Trillionaires, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to have you guys here. So today we're going to be doing a reading for Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and North Node. In case you don't know your placements, you can check out the description box below where I have mentioned all the details about how you can find out your own birth chart placements and things like that. Also, if you would like to book a personal reading with me, the Linktree link is given below on the description box, as well as my donation list and my Amazon wish list. So in case you guys are feeling extra generous, my Scorpions, you can definitely check that out. Alright, my love, so now let's get into your reading. So the cards are laid out in front of you, as you can see, okay? And the first card out for person A on the left side is Seven of Wands and Page of Wands, okay? Now I know I'm doing it in this layout where I'm picking out two people here within the reading, and then I'm giving you the energy, but the energy is fluid, so it could be relating to your personal life, it could be another person's life, that it's resonating with you on that level, or it could be someone around you, like I said, right? So take it how it relates, my loves. So Seven of Wands and Page of Wands. Now this talks about a major upgrade, Scorpio. Okay, this talks about you leveling up in life, you recognizing the value of achieving goals, you recognizing that you want that zest in life, you want that bravery in life to follow your heart, to follow your passion, to follow what it is that makes you excited, wakes you up in the morning, and it's something that you want to do every day, and you are just focusing on that creative aspect of your life, of yourself, is what I'm picking up. There's a lot of bravery within you that's coming in. I'm seeing new beginnings here with it could be an anniversary celebration that you're going to, or a birthday party you could be invited to recently, or you will be invited in the near future. Something with a milestone, a date, celebration, meeting new people, and happiness with the cheers card at the bottom of Seven of Wands. So this talks about you being brave enough to take the new opportunities that are coming towards you, right? This could be very, very lucrative options. So you could have around 6 different options that are coming towards you. It could be lucrative. It could cause you to become more brave. It could be that, there are so many options that it's kind of confusing you in a way where you don't know which one to choose, but at the same time you have the bravery to understand what the option is, and analyze what the option is all about, right? So there's a lot of new opportunities coming towards you, and with the fish, I don't know, I'm just feeling the vibe of this card being very, very like auspicious and lucky for you, okay? Because with the cheers card, it's like no matter how many haters you have, no matter how many people are looking down upon you, Scorpio, it's like you are so brave. You are made of steel. I don't know why, like I'm getting you're made of iron and steel, like you're so powerful and you're so magnetic at the same time, Scorpio, right? So you have the courage to face your fears. That's what I'm getting mainly, and which is what is causing for you to attract new ventures towards you, new ways of expressing your creativity towards you, okay? There could be someone who's interested in you, Scorpio. It's not just one person, maybe there's a lot of people that are interested in you. You could be blocking people like left, right and center. I can see that with the Seven of Wands and Page of Wands. It's like if people are trying to reach out to you, you could be just blocking them, or you are taking your time away from people and or away from love itself, okay? Because you're thinking about like your legacy, about your family wealth, about your domestic bliss. What is it that you require in order for you to feel passionate again, to thrive again in life, right? And yeah, this makes someone feel sad, I'm picking up, Scorpio, uh, that you are avoiding them or you're not giving them the time of the day, okay? But at the same time, I'm getting that you have read something about this person, okay? So let me start out by saying that this person, if this is a family member or this is another person who's like very jealous about you or jealous towards you and looks down upon you or judges you in some way, Scorpio, this person is definitely trying to imitate you, okay? Number one, either they are trying to clone you, imitate you, because they see you winning in life, they see you thriving, and it could be something about the past that this person is holding a grudge on you about, but this person like gives you the evil eye. They give you all the negative energies that they could throw out there towards you. They just channel it towards you, or maybe they do something to do with spells or something like that, is what I'm picking up. And this person like just projects their negativity onto you. And spirit is just telling me with these cards that you are so brave that nothing touches you, like it just bounces back. Or because you're made of steel, like I was saying, right? Man of Steel, I don't know why I'm getting that Superman movie. Yeah, so some of you could be Superman fans, or it could be your person who's a Superman fan, or it could be a new person that's coming towards you who loves Superman. Okay, so just take it how it relates. But yeah, you know who to give your time to and energy to and who not, because you've seen these people, you've seen their pattern, and either they want to imitate you, they want to be you, or they want to see you fall, or they want to put your name in a scandal, or they want to gossip about you, they want to be jealous of you, they want to envy your position in life, because you're coming up as the Empress here, is what I'm picking up. Okay, you're coming up as a very, very creatively abundant person. You don't have to be a male to be you don't have to be a female to be an Empress. You can be a male and still be an Empress. Okay, because you are coming into the prime of your creativity. Wow, beautiful, I love that. Prime of your creativity. So with this amount of energy, Scorpio, it's hard for you to not discern who is out there to get you and who's out there being jealous of you, who feels defeated the moment you are winning in life, right? This is what I'm seeing that you are observing in people. Like when you're winning in life, how are people responding to you? And when you are not winning, or when you're not doing well, how are people responding to you? And there's a difference in that, right? There's a difference in that, because you've seen the same people who you know are there with you when you are celebrating and you are winning and you have a lot of prosperity, a lot of luck in your life. um, these people are really right beside you. They want to be you, they want to celebrate you, but the past patterns of these people, because you've lived a long time with them, or you know them, or you know this person, okay, whoever this may be. But they see you as competition, they see you as someone who's like who has it all, who has got it all, and this person wants to steal it from you, take it away from you, right? And with the Three of Wands and Five of Swords in the middle, it's like the mutual energy is very, very triggering. So it could be that there's some kind of a psychological war going on of who's going to have more power within the situation, or more power within this family dynamic, or within this business, or within this career, whatever it may be, or friendship, right? So yeah, there's a lot of like display of power, and who has more, and there could be some fights relating to that, because Scorpio, it's like from the level that you are at right now, you can see the truth, right? And it's not just from the level, it's that it took a long time for you to get where you are today. It took a lot of hard work, a lot of determination, a lot of trial and error, right, in order to become the person that you are today. And if someone just wants to like come in and imitate that, or be that, it will never be what the original work is anyway, right? Or the original you are anyway, right? So this person is very upset about that. They're sad about that. I'm getting something to do with eclipse. So they did some ritual on you on the eclipse. Okay. And they did something with blood, is also what I'm picking up with the eclipse mermaid. If you can see that card, that's an advice card for you. But they did something with blood here in order for you to feel, I'm getting you need you something to do with split personality, or they've put something on you about split personality. Okay, or they want you to feel like you have a split personality in some way, or uh, they're trying to make you more gullible. Interesting. They want you to be gullible, Scorpio. Okay, but the thing is that you're the Empress here, so you are protected by the divine altogether. So all of that is bouncing back, number one. Number two, this could be a Gemini, a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, right? Leo heavy here, and Aries as well. But also I'm getting like if this is like a love connection, I'm picking up that there's a lot of people who are admiring you, at least three people from what I can see here. Okay, and like I said, you have a lot of options, so you are trying to understand, like, what is good for you, what is not good for you. you're trying to take everything in and take your time to understand, but at the same time, it's also there's this internal dialogue you have where you're like, why not try everyone? Or something like that. Like you want to be with everyone, but at the same time it's like you want to make someone jealous by being with the other person. Or this could be the other person who did this to you. This is how this person like tried to play you initially in the past, okay? But now you're coming out stronger, or you're coming out sharper, way sharper than what you were before, is what I'm picking up. Interesting. Okay, so this could be someone you know from your childhood, or you know from way back then, or from maybe more than 10 to 15 years, right? So yeah, this could be that kind of a person here. But so I can see that you're staying in, night in your space, a moment alone, a partner is busy, free time, or mental vacation, right? So people around you, Scorpio, feel that you are a very private person, like you like your space. Even if you celebrate with people, you know when to take it back a notch, or you know when to not overdo it, because you know sometimes people get too excited and they're too like they do chaotic things when they're too excited. So you are the person maybe in the friend group who's like always like controlled and controlling everyone, like not in a bad way, but in a way where you're protecting everyone, you're guarding everyone at times, you know. That's also what I'm picking up. And if you've been disconnecting from your friends, I'm getting like they miss you, they miss meeting you, they miss venturing out with you, because they miss how brave you are in the group, or you try certain things that nobody can, or you say certain things that nobody can, and they just get very excited to spend some time with you, quality time with you. So, but I can understand totally where this alone time is coming from, Scorpio. It's just in your nature, okay? It's in your DNA to take some time for yourself, for your own rejuvenation. After putting on this huge armor where you're just fighting off people who are trying to attack you, or trying to like cuss you out, or things like that, right? Or people even trying to reach you, to the point where because you're succeeding now, people want to get in touch with you, people want to know more about your life, people are giving you more and more attention. And this is something that this person who is feeling the defeat in the middle, you can see the Five of Swords with defeat. Look at the look that they are giving on the other side, right? On person A's side, like I'm thinking of a plan. I'm plotting something against you, because I'm just so envious of what you have, Scorpio, right? This is what I'm getting. And this could be an air sign. I'm picking up Libra. This could be a Libra. This could be yeah, this is a Libra card. And this could also be Aries. So Aries, Libra, like that's the polarity that I'm seeing here for this person. Okay, so their shadow side is the Libra, so they will try to like be very kind and sweet, and try to test your patience by doing that. Okay, I'm also seeing something to do with like, so there's another person, air sign, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This person could be keeping secrets from you, hiding something, or using discretion. They're trying to surprise you, collaborate with you, or protecting and denying and risk. So like you can see on the spread here, there could be a certain sense of for the person B on the right side, there's a certain sense of like idealism, okay, where like this person holds a lot of secrets. So this could be you, Scorpio, this could be another person, take it how it relates, but I'm also merging the whole reading together. So yeah, so there's a lot of creativity coming into you, but because of this power that you are wielding right now, there's a lot of people who are attracted to you, like moths to a flame, right? And this is causing for people to test your patience, literally. And I'm getting like you're getting really pissed off at the fact that when you really needed some people, they were never there, but now that you're winning, you can see the people come back into your life, so you're like you're enjoying blocking them, or you're enjoying giving them like a straight cut answer, or you're enjoying the fact that you now have hold the power, or you wield the power, because you know how to not misuse it, Scorpio. Wow, I love that. You know how to not misuse your power. And this is the lesson that you were meant to learn with this other person, because this other person like wants to build blockages for you, wants to build certain walls in front of you, certain or keep certain obstacles in front of you, so you can never progress in life, okay, by keeping secrets from you, by trying to not let you move on in life, try to make you like go along with everything that they have planned for you rather than you going along for what you have planned for yourself, right? So at times this person could have tried to, like, use those control methods on you, but it never worked because you always came out as the victor, as the winner. In fact, you became more and more spiritual and more powerful the more and more this person tried to defeat you. And that's because of your bravery and because of your risk taking ability, right? Your risk taking ability to conquer any form of like tactics used against you, right? So I'm getting like you are literally defeating this person just by being yourself. Wow, Scorpio, I love that. I love that. You're just by being you, you're testing the patience of people around you, left, right, and center, right? Even if you take your time, even if you're growing in life, even if you're staying in, even if you keep things a secret, or you know how to harmonize things, even if you're keeping things a secret, it's like uh, the sense of like I'm picking up a lot of attraction and a lot of like people wanting to be near you, people wanting to understand what it is that is going on in your life, right? And you're focusing on your legacy, like you are thinking about what it is that you want to build in life, how it is that you want your life to be in the future, right? So that's beautiful, my loves. Wow. I'm also getting like some of these enemies that you have could be watching my reading right now just to see what you're doing. Wow. That's going to be the title because I just channeled that, okay? Some of your enemies are watching my reading as well. But it doesn't matter because, I'm just speaking the truth. I'm just channeling from the divine. I'm not even channeling from myself. It's just the words just like pour out of my mouth. It's very natural. It's not something that I'm doing very consciously, okay? There's a lot of subconscious energy in my talks as well. So yes, very very interesting here. So like I said, like you have a lot of options to venture into and open up to. And if people are going to try you, especially like people um, who think that they have power over you, that then you will show them what real power truly is, or where the true power really lies. Okay, you know how to show people the real you if push comes to shove, right? You know how to sting that motherfucker, right? Like seriously, I had to get that word out because even though I'm a Libra and author, I'm not meant to like do that. But I'm trying, guys. Okay, I'm Aries. In my past life, I was an Aries too. So yeah. So let's see then. So Scorpio, what is the advice for Scorpio? And apart from that, hold on. What else am I seeing here? So yeah, you definitely could be. Some of you, if you are looking for pregnancy, congratulations. I can see you getting pregnant with twins. Beautiful. That's so beautiful, my loves. Okay, and you could be already having a child from before, so there could be 3 children at your home. Specifically, this reading could apply with you if these details resonate with you even more. Okay, um I'm also seeing something to do with, okay, I'm getting air and fire mixture in the children. So your children are going to be either Gemini or um uh Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Okay, and what else am I getting here? I'm getting that I'm getting some of you are doing photo shoots. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that. Okay, with the Empress card, that's like a photo shoot, or um, people really giving you respect for who you are. Like they're so curious to know about you and your life and about your history, right? People really excited to see you, Scorpio. I'm just like feeling that in this reading. It's such a warm and a welcoming hug. Like it's a silent yet a warm and a welcoming hug. Like it's not loud, it's not something that is it's very authentic, basically, is what I'm picking up here. Okay, and this reading is giving me that feeling. But apart from that, you could also be doing something with online business. So you could be staying in, or you could be ordering a lot from like Swiggy, Zomato. I don't know why I'm getting that. So you could be eating a lot. You're very passionate about food, or you could be cooking. You could be getting into cooking as well. You're stepping into this as like you're stepping into being a chef for the first time. I'm picking up. Oh, that's beautiful, my loves. That's so adorable. Some of you are becoming chefs, I'm picking up. Some of you are definitely getting into botanica or herbs or garden. Okay, gardening, something to do with gardening or something to do with also art, and also fragrance. I'm getting something to do with fragrance as well. Okay, or you might want to get into these because these are very lucrative for you as a business opportunity, right? And what else am I seeing here? Yeah, yeah, people just want to celebrate you right now, okay? And if people don't, if people can't see you win, you're just showing them your true face. You're just being yourself. Like, you don't even have to move a finger to let them know your power anymore, Scorpio. It's just your vibration. The moment you walk into a room, it's just something that turns heads or makes a few jealous, makes a few envious, makes a few really happy for you, makes a few clap for you, makes a few like dance for you. I'm getting like you're just, your energy is very, very strong right now. And I don't know what the alignments are in the sky when I'm shooting this, but whenever you're watching this, this reading will apply or may not apply with you. Take it how it relates. For the zodiac signs, I have, I think I've said the zodiac signs here already with the Libra and Aries and Gemini, right? Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, right? Yeah. So definitely you're looking for a quest, and I'm seeing that you move forward with that attitude, with that bravado, with that energy of leveling up to not back down from your goals in order to understand where your true happiness lies. And sometimes it's the memories that can either hold you back or the memories that can really liberate you. So now is the time for you to decide what it is that you truly want. And if this person is, or if these people are bothering you too much, of course you know what to do, Scorpio. Just block them, right? And or if you have done something, okay, one more scenario, I'm getting one more scenario. This is a male Scorpio energy that I'm picking up here. If you have stopped talking to a person and you see them as someone who is, the most beautiful person you could ever know, you cannot stop thinking about them. You maybe have cried about them, by staying in, even though you show them like this face of, like, you're happy, you're in love with someone else. Or this could be a way for you to making the other person react or make the other person jealous, because maybe this person is quite detached. But let me tell you, Scorpio, if you're trying to do that or pull that over another person, this person has a lot of self-respect, okay? So that's the reason you're fond of them, right? You're a powerful sign yourself. So the reason you're attracted to this person is because this person is very, very, like, she's an empress, okay? That's how she's coming up as. And she definitely has this innocence to her, where she will sometimes ask you questions that will make you feel very curious about her and getting to know her. But in order for her to be the empress, she's had to go through a lot of stuff, okay? um, Maybe she's had to go through situations where she could not be herself completely. She had to adapt to certain situations and difficult times in her life, okay? Be it filled with secrecy, people lying to her, people just going through bad set of relationships in the past, right? So this is a time for you to empathize rather than try to get back at someone for what is going on, right? Because that will help you and assist you in understanding that person more, rather than feeling afraid or feeling like this person won't reciprocate exactly how you want them to, right? So yes, don't do that. Like, if Scorpio, you have been pulling back because of that, don't do that, because that's not necessary. What is necessary is for you to be honest to this person. Tell them that this is how you have been thinking or feeling, that you really want to talk to them, and let them know that you have them on your mind, and maybe things can change for the better, right? But if you keep doing this and maybe try to make the other person jealous, an empress doesn't get jealous. An empress is like, she's the earth mother, basically. So an earth mother has enough abundance, and she doesn't need to feel a lack thereof of anything in her life. So if you're trying to make her feel anything, it's highly impossible that she will get affected by it, like, okay? Especially if you're trying some tricks on her. is what I'm picking up. And Scorpio, this could be you as well. Like somebody could be trying to play tricks on you, and like I said, they are jealous of you, envious of your position. So make sure that you know what's happening around you, and of course you are already alert. I can see that, which is why I see the alternatives that you're planning, which I'm not going to reveal here because I know there's people who you trusted in at one point but they betrayed you, are going to watch this video at some point in time. Okay, so yes, let's read an advice for you here. So the advice card is Eclipse Mermaid. A deeply emotional, energetic shift akin to that of a powerful full eclipse is taking place in your life. There could be revelations, scandals, and truths being told too at this time, and you may feel the urge to change what you eat, how you look and dress, and how you express yourself, what classes you take, who you hang out with, and what you thought you wanted to do with your life. If you're on a path, your own soul path, everything that takes place will be good and right, even if it is disruptive. If you have not placed your feet on the path, this time may feel more disruptive, tumultuous, and surprising. Any change at this time will bring you closer to who you truly are. It is up to each of us to choose how we move through an eclipse. Only one thing is certain: resistance is futile. Oh my god, this resonates with the whole reading here. And it's time for you to go through this powerful eclipsey energy, this change. Okay, even though people are trying to project shit onto you, it's time for you to take your power back and show them who's the real deal, right? Who is the true Scorpion god and goddess, within this situation. And keep them in their place in case they are overdoing things, right? And that's what you're doing, and I totally see that. I don't even have to give you an advice, Scorpio. You guys are the best. Like you are my favorite zodiac, by the way, in the whole astrological zodiac sign chart. Right? So yes, my love, so this is what I have for you. I hope that you resonated with this message. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, please let me know in the comments down below. Also, if you would like to book a personal reading, or if you would like to donate to my channel, all the details are in the description box below. All right, my loves, so thank you so much. I love you all, and peace.